So I'm going to show you our notes, okay, which we are creating during the classes. I hope you all have these notes, okay. So these are our notes, okay. Now see, we okay in yesterday class we talk about the vertex, okay, and little bit we talk about the ceiling also. Few people remember that we we discussed that how we can create the ceilings in the residential structures, okay. Like two or three ceilings I create, okay, in our history class. And in the vertex, like in this plane, that is our heading line, and subheadings are the vertex, segment, and spline. In vertex, we talk about like break, fuse, and weld. If we revise that what is the break, we destroy a vertex into two vertex. Okay, when you select any vertex and if you choose the break, there are two vertex. Okay, after the break, what is the use of the fuse to bring the vertices nearby. Okay, and weld is used to build with two vertices into the one vertex. Now the fillet is to provide the radius for the rectangle. So these are the some little commands we talk in our previous class. And in spline, we also talk about the outline option. And I'm going to explain you again this one. Okay. See, to see what is the how that is useful for us. Yes, Max. If anybody has a doubt in our past classes, so they can ask now. Okay. So this is the GUI of 3ds Max. Now it's taking some little bit time. Okay. And see, actually I'm doing the Alt W for the maximize viewport. And next thing what I'm going to do that I'm going to create a rectangle. Okay. So just press the T for the top view and G for the grid height. Now you can take this line option from here. I'm going to create a rectangle like this. Okay. So I'll explain you that next step is to convert it into the editable spline. How you can convert that? You need to click on right click, convert to a table spline. Okay. Now I want to provide some radius to all vertices. Okay. So if you want to provide the radius to all vertex, so okay. Now, and if you want to, like you can also use the scale for copy. Like I want another object here on okay. Now I just want the round shape of inner object. So go in the modify and select the vertex. Select all vertices. Okay, two and two there. So four vertices I select, and your vertex is selected now, and you can see the flat option is here. I'll just click on the flat and you can increase from here the value of radius for the vertexes. Okay, only two vertex are getting the radius because the two are selected. That's why. Okay, if I select all nodes, all vertex, so you can also use for all at a time like this. Then I'm click on the flat and you can increase the like this. Getting my point? And using the segment, we can do that like that. Okay, if you want to increase it in any direction. Right now we have this type of shape, and we can extrude it or not. We can extrude it because we talk about the extrude modifier. So just click on the extrude like this. Func for the F3. So now you can see your full object are extruded. Okay, it's not cut. Okay, because they are not attached to that. That's fine. So I'm deleting the extrude. Now select the one is spline, attach right by using the right click. They are attached now, and you can use extrude now. So this is how you can provide the radius for the corners of a rectangle. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, you can provide like in the vertex we will go the fillet, and you can provide to any vertex. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to show you some ceiling designs which I show you in our yesterday class. So I told you that create right now this type of ceiling you can create. Okay. So this is a very simple to create. Like I create the outer boundary. This right now you can see in the if I show you. Okay, I create what I create now. I create this one. Okay, so it's completed now. This one I create, and we provide the radius also here. Now I just want to create this one also, and how you will create it. Let's see. I go in the 3S Max, the T for the top, and again you can. If I'm going to see this one like this, okay. F3, and I'm going to create a rectangle here like this, okay. Now I want to provide some radius to corners of this rectangle. So to provide the radius, convert to a spline. Take the vertex from here, select all vertex like this, and go in the shade option. And like this, you can provide the radius. Okay. Now you can directly extrude it. Just extrude it. You will go sell it solid shape like this. Okay. Now I want to close it from the top, so you can take you can take any like you can create a plane also on this plane. So snap should be on, and you can create like this. Okay, the ceiling from the bottom side is looking like this. Like this. So it's clear to all of you. Till here, if anybody has a doubt, then you can ask now. And now, if you want to create this shape, so you can create using circle very easily. Okay, by using this circle, just create a circle and extrude it. So this type of ceiling you can create. Okay, so this is where now I'm going to do a elevation of the exterior. So we are going to learn how we can create a exterior. So we are going to we will start very little bit in from today. So this is the some showing some exterior views to you. Exterior designs I'll show you. Okay, so you can see there are many designs. Okay, now you can take any one like. I'm going to take for now. It's not a much complicated. Okay, which from starting we will we will do like some easy, okay, and after we will go for complex designs. Okay, so we are taking this one, okay, and I'm going to explain you how we can draw it in the 3ds Max. Okay, so I'm going to save this image, or you can save. First of all, before starting this topic, I'm going to tell you a very little bit important thing about the line command. Okay, important thing I'll told you that what is the very important use of line. You can see when I'm going in the this line, we get some line, circle, ellipse, heart, and all of these things. Okay? But if I click on the line, so I'm going to go here. So you can see this is simple line, okay? But if before when suppose I'm going to create a line, you can see a option is here, that is the rendering option, okay? It's very useful, okay? Now I'm going to open this one, and when you open the rendering, you can see two options are visible: enable in render, enable in viewport. When I'm check on these two things, you can see we have the shape also, like radial or rectangular, which shape you want. Like suppose I create a line now, and you can see the shape of your line is radial, okay? The shape of your line is radial. It's not perfectly radial, perfect radial, because the slide segments are very less, that's why. If you increase the slides, it will be more smoother. And you can increase the thickness also from here, like this. Expect this. We can change the like shape also. If I want rectangular shape, you can do like that, and you can change the parameters also, like length. I want this type of length I want, and width also you can set like according to you. And this is the thing, okay? So this is the line command, which we can give the any shape, okay? So I write here line, okay. What we discussed about two types of lines, we get radial shape. They are the shapes, okay? Radial shape and rectangular shape. So just click on line. This that I write these steps, okay? Click on line. So what is the next step? Next step is the enable in render, and the second one is the enable in viewport. So this is very important thing, okay? Now you can see you can create many types of geometries using this, okay? Like if I show you this exterior, you can see these lines also you can draw using the line, okay? And expected, you can create this type of elevation by using the line also. This one also you can create the line. So now I'm trying to draw this, okay? Now you can see we have a one wall. First of all, I'm going to show this wall. I'm going to delete this one. I'm F for the front and G for the period height. Okay, and now you can see this is my structure. You can see this type of the 3D structures, 3D structure we have. Okay, now I just want to draw first of all this wall. I'm just showing you this wall. Okay, I'm going to draw this wall. Okay, this one. So full wall I am going to draw. Okay, and in this wall you can see we have one window here, window number one, and there is a door also. So this is the door number two. Sorry, door number one, window number one. Okay. Above this, we have one window more. So this is the window number two. Okay. And I'm going to assume the total height of this structure is the like I'm going to assume like 22 feet. Okay. So 11 feet is the slab height. Okay. So this is the total height for this one, and you can see the behind this window wall there is a wall also, okay, because this is the part of behind part of this structure, and here also a wall, but for now I'm going to create this wall. Okay, and we will create after these windows. So the total height is the 11 feet, 22 feet I assume, and width of the structure is the I assume here like 22 feet. Okay, this is the 22 feet. Now I'm going to assume this is the 8 feet, and remaining 14 feet is this one. Okay, so width of this wall is the 14 feet. Okay, so getting my point. Now see, first of all, do the like I'm going to open this image in the 3ds Max. If you want to open any image, so you can you need to go in the rendering. Okay, okay, so we will open it, but for now just see, you can open if you are using the 2015, the image option is visible here. Okay, directly you will get the image option in the 2015 3ds Max. Now I'm going to I'm going to draw this one. So take a rectangle and draw this rectangle like this. You can see your rectangle is like enable in and enable in viewport. You can disable this one. And now I'm going to change the size of this one. Now you can see the length is this one. Okay, and actually I'm showing the parameters of this. You can see this is the length. So how much we have total? We have 22 feet. Okay, and the width, how much we have? Width also I reach the like 21 feet I'm going to take. Okay, so this is the structure that we have. Okay, but you can see first of all I'm going to draw this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the total width is the 22 minus 8 feet. Okay, so it's like 14 feet. So this is the 14 feet. So this is your front wall. Okay, now I want to, you can see your wall is created now, and what is the next step? You can see the window. Okay, here a window is, you can see, and if I draw this, okay, if I draw this in new slide, you can see if I draw just a bit, you have this type of wall, and you can see the window is here, one window is here, another one window is here. Okay, and one door is also here. Now you can see we also must know about this light. Okay, so this is this light, the window height from the bottom of your floor. So this is called the light. And according to India's standard code, okay, that should be 3 feet. So suppose for now I assume it 3 feet. I want my window 3 feet from the base, okay, and see I'm going to provide a window here. So you can see I'm going to provide without any dimension. So this is my window now. Okay, this is window, and I'm going to put it here. Okay, I want this window on the 3 feet from the bottom. Okay, so for that you need to change the pivot point of this rectangle. I'm placing the pivot point here, and now select and you can take it like on the base, and you need to click on this one absolute mode. You need to off it, and you can provide the height. Okay, like I want on the 3 feet, so this is the height of the 3 feet. Let's do it on the 3 feet now, and I'm going to like provide a door. Okay, so this is the door now. You can see door is not on the proper like on the same level, so you need to convert it into the table spline, and you need to select segment. Click on this segment, and you can make them like this. Both are on the same plane now. Okay, now I want to uh, decrease the width of this window, so by you need to convert it into a spline also, and you can decrease like this. If I want to increase the width of this door, you can increase, or you can like, manage it like this. Okay. Hmm. Now I want to create a window on this plane also. So you can copy it, okay, like this. So these are two windows, okay, we have on our wall. Now I want to convert this rectangle into the table spline. You need to attach all of these windows like this, okay. So now you can extrude it now. I'm going to change the color of this wall, and you can change like this. You can keep any color, okay. Like if you want to give this some light color, you can keep like this. Okay. So one thing is created now, okay, it's done now. Now I want to create some frame for these windows and doors, okay. So like I want to create these frames, okay, this one, okay, now like this, okay? Now for that you need to click on the rectangle and enable in render, enable in viewport like this, okay, and change the color from here. You can change, and also you can add the custom color from here. Like if you want, and you want to keep any type of color, you can keep from here like this, okay. So I'm going to take this color now, and okay. So like this, you can create a frame for this one, okay, and you can increase the length width of this frame from here. Like if you want to increase the width, like this, okay, like this. Frame is created now, and if I want to increase some width, increase the length. Okay, so when you increase the length, it will take some thickness also. Okay. Now I want to convert it into the a table pole spline, and you can copy any segment we discussed that how we can copy the segments like this. Okay, we can copy like this. Now see, I just want this type of lines also. This small lines I want also these lines. Okay, I'm going to draw. So see how we can draw that. Okay, take a line, go in the rendering, and they are the enable, and try to draw a rectangle here. Okay, line here. Okay, and decrease the length width parameters from here, and you can move it like this, and also you can use the front view to do that like this. Okay, and you can reduce the thickness also, and width and length width also you can set. Okay, like like this. Okay, now just I'm going to draw this one. Clear to all of you, these lines. Now you need to change the color of this. Okay, because when you copy them, the color of all lines color will be same. Okay, now I'm going to copy this one like this, and press the number of copies you want. Like I want like 5 copies and 4 copies, then you can put like this. Okay, and you can increase also now if you, yeah, like this. Okay, so like this you can create these lines. I want to create these lines on the vertically also. So if you want to create vertical lines, so click on the line and draw here and put the W to move, and you can copy them. Okay, now change the color first. Okay, now I'm going to change the color of this one. I'm going to color this one like this. Okay, and you can copy like this. Total number of copies, whatever you want, like you can increase, and you can copy them. Like you can see now your structure is created now. Okay, this type of window we have in our rendering image. Getting my point? This type of image you can see. When we are going for the rendering, we will get same type of image. Okay, at the end of my, now I want to do that on the below also. I want to create a frame for the door, so there's the F. Now create the rectangle and enable in rendering. Increase the length width and even go like this. Okay, so frame is created now. Now convert it into the table spline and select by using the segment and delete this one. So we will get a frame for the door. Now I'm going to draw the frame for this window also. So you can copy. Okay, you can copy also, like there is the F. I want to copy this window like this. So you can select by using the, like I want to select them. Okay, so you can select like this also. Just select it. So window frame is selected now, and I want to copy it on here. So you need to off your enable access consent, and you can copy from here. Now I want to create this. I want to create. Okay, I'm going to create this boundary wall. Okay, so just assume that the distance between the boundary wall and the this wall is the like 5 feet. Okay, after the 5 feet, I'm going to create this one. So first of all, I'm going to create this type of this shape and this wall and this one also. Okay, so this is the width of this one is the I'm going to take 3 feet. Okay, or you can take like 2 feet 6 inches also. So there's the T for the top, F3 for the wireframe, and um, just draw that. Okay, and also by you can create it on this by using this space also from this space. Also. So like this, I create this one and disable them in the rendering. Okay, go in the modification and disable them. Today I don't want any shape for this one right now. You convert it into the editable spline and select the segment from here and take it on this. Okay, actually my what is why it's not going in the only y direction because the x is constant is the disabled right now. So take it from the option and enable it. Now you can set according to you. I want this line after like 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, so how we can take it? I just click on this one and take it on the 0 0, and I want this on the x direction. So press here the 2 feet 6 on the 2 feet 6 inches. Like now the come out from the command. You can see your wall is uh, created successfully. I'm going to extrude it for the thickness, and you can see that when you put the 7 inches it's going to the outside. Okay, I want this wall in the inside, so press the -7 inch this and edit spline. You can see the both are not matching, so just click on the vertex and select this vertex, and also you can select the segment also and make them like this. You can see your wall is created now. Okay, like this. You can give the color for this one also, like I'm going to color this one like this. So this is a view that you create now. Okay, now the next thing is for this one. I create that one, okay? And for now, I create these doors and those also. I want to create this shape of, so this is the 1 feet or 2 feet you can take. So you can do that view also on this by using the left view. You can do F3 and you can take like this, okay? And I want the height of this like 5 feet you can take. Okay, this is the boundary wall. First we'll convert it into the table spline, and now just take it on the 0. Give the height now. The height in the y direction 5 feet. So this is how you can create and even decrease the width of this one also from the segment option, and you can decrease like this. You need to extrude it, okay? So just extrude it. It's exactly coming on the same point like this. Now the next thing is that I want to draw this shape like this one, okay? So you can draw using the line also for using the rectangle also. Just press the F and F3 for the and I'm going to draw a rectangle here from this face. Suppose I'm drawing like this, okay? So this is the structure that I'm going to create. Enable. In the rendering, you need to click on the okay. First of all, doing enable, just take it on the accurate plane. Like I want this one on here, okay? It's not exactly correct now. So convert it in this plane. Select segment selected. I'm going to take on this face, okay? Now I'm going to provide the dimension for this line like this. You can increase the length, okay? You can increase the width also. It's created. You can increase more like this. And see, so this is the extra line. So you can delete this using this line like this. The structure is created now. It's clear to all of you or not? So this is how we can create the our exterior, how we can start to create our exterior. Okay. Now the next thing that let's see your structure now. This thing is done. Okay, it is done now. Now I want to draw this this rectangle after I will draw them. Okay. So do the front view for that. F3 for the wireframe, and you will see. I'm going to take the rectangle from here and draw here like this. Just disable in the rendering option, and now convert it into the editable spline. You can select the segment and you can decrease the width like this, okay, and provide the height this like this. Now use the extrude command. Extrude it now. Hmm. You can see it's visible like this. Also, you can take it some little bit more outside like this. So I think these things are clear to all of you. Now I'm going to draw these types of shapes. You can draw using the line also. Okay. Again, I'm going to do the front view and F3 for the wireframe. Now I'm just take the line from here and you can draw like this. Okay, the line is created. This is the W for the move. Provide the length width in enable. Just decrease the length and width. Like this you can decrease. Okay. And if you want to increase the, like I want to increase the length, so you can increase like this. Okay. We can set them by you like this. Okay. Now press this F and F for the front view. Change the color of this one and do it like this shift and copy them. I want like 3 to 4 copies and like this you can see it. This is all about for today. We will meet in our tomorrow session.